Hey Tim, hi Emmett. This is the interface that we've got at the moment, but this is going to change completely. We've got manage accounts where we can add, import, remove, view the database, and then clear the entire database. That's pretty straightforward, that, but we've got load images, so every time we create a moment, we will add a random image from this folder. Deep linking will always link the initial tweet to every moment, but you're asking for software for potential funnels. What I've done before, mate, is use my own Q&A tool. I'll show you what I've done. What are Twitter moments? This was 20 to 10 in the evening, so just over half an hour ago. But I'll show you what I've done with. So using the Google Q&A tool, it's the simplest and quickest way that we can get unique content for our tweets and moments. So I basically entered what are Twitter, see if I can spell, what are Twitter moments, using my own Google search engine. Let's say I want 30, click one, and it is this simple. There's no black voodoo magic going on here. It's using the tools that I've got, combining them, and then creating the Twitter moments from them. So as you can see, the software will now start flicking through the questions and answers. So give this a minute or two, mate. It should bring back about 40-45 Q&As. It'll finish soon, mate. Oh well, it should finish. Probably getting about 60 questions and answers here, mate. Yeah, here we go. So we've finished. Click OK, minimize that, and then basically that's it. So go to our results folder. What are Twitter moments? And it's just being done now, which is 20 past 11 in the evening. So double click that. You get the question, and then you get the answer, and then you get the URL from where the answer come from. But what I have done is simply remove them. So we've got 93 questions that we can use in the software. So if I go back to my software, titles, so I'll go new text document, Twitter content, put them in there, take all of them, obviously spin them with Mass Optimizer, text utility, save output, oops, spin the text, save the output, Twitter moments, let's call this Tim test. So close that, go back to Twitter moments, Tim test. And what we have is perfectly spun Twitter titles, moment titles, content for the body. So just delete that, paste. Can I show you this? Is this big enough? Oh no, I want to expand. So basically what I've done, Tim, is I've got this video, which is the video that's popped up here, Twitter Moments Software 2020. As you can see, posted it an hour ago. So I've added that URL. The first line of the description in the tweet. And then we use the Twitter titles again, and then I've put in a URL which is not even live yet, which is Twitter Moments Software on the massoptimizer.com website, and that's all it is to. There's no point in me showing you the software running because it's failing. I don't want to show you a failing piece of software. But that's it. That's all we need to do. And then click on run. And depending on how many accounts you've got in your database, it will work through the complete database, creating a tweet, saving the tweet URL. It also exports, it also saves the embed code of each tweet. It'll then go to create a moment. It will add the URL to the moment. It'll save the moment URL. It will save the embed code of the moment, so we can, you know, push them anywhere that we want, embed them on Web 2.0s or whatever. And then it'll just cycle through the database then. And that's about it at the moment. As I say, the software, it's got a few little kinks in it. There's a few little things that just need ironing out. But if we do a incognito window and do Twitter, can't spell, Twitter Moments Software, straight into a position one on the carousel, as you can see. This is now 2 hours ago. So just something to let you think about, mate, whilst you're trying to sleep. Cheers, bud. I'll speak to you soon.